Sometimes you're better off dead. There's a gun in your hand that's pointing at your head. You think you're mad, too unstable, kicking in chairs and knocking down tables in a restaurant in a West End town. Call the police, there's a madman around, running down underground to a dive bar in a West End town. In a West End town, a dead end world, the Eastern boys and Western girls. In a West End town, a dead end world, the Eastern boys and Western girls. Shadows, whispering voices, faces on posters, too many choices. If, when, why, what, how much have you got? Have you got it, do you get it? If so, how often? Which do you choose, a hard or soft option? In a Western town, a dead end world, the Eastern boys and Western girls. In a Western town, a dead end world, the Eastern boys and Western girls.
Shout, I'm talking to you. Come on. Valentine's. You shouldn't have to sell your soul in black and white. They really, really ought to know those one-track minds that took you for a working boy. Kiss them goodbye. You shouldn't have to jump the door. You shouldn't have to shut the door. Let it all out. These are the things I can do without. Come on, I'm talking to you. Come on. I'm talking to you. Come on. They gave